welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Uzalo from the 20th to the 24th of June 2022 on Monday. Nomaswazi is devastated when Gingy gives away a priceless possession. A mysterious stranger comes to Madongwe's rescue and Sbu spends money recklessly despite Helo's reservations on Tuesday. Kapsile is left stranded when her listeners refuse to call into her show. Sbu surprises Hlelo with a personal chef, and Njeza also showers his family with gift. Nomaswazi makes a shocking discovery on Wednesday. After a confrontation with Nomaswazi, Njinji is ready to reveal all to the family. Madongwe's world is overwhelmed by love. Sbu's effort to make it up to Hlelo don't go as planned, and Kapsile has to step out of her comfort zone to save her radio show on Thursday. Nomaswazi discovers a difficult truth about her father. Lily and Inonka are very curious about General's intention for Madongwe. Sbu's frivolous expenditure threatens to derail the car wrapping business on Friday. Kapsile received a backlash from social media. Mamba warns Nomaswazi against digging her father's past. Hlelo urges Njeza not to give up on Sbu. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.